Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for a love bite. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Aries. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aries and send them a message that they need to hear about their love life now. Thank you. So Aries, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you again for being here. And if you're new here, Aries, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right. Okay. And newbies, this is just a simple little 9-card spread. Your longer readings have been put up. More are coming. So if you enjoy it, do subscribe and become part of us. So Aries, High Priestess, bottom of my deck. So is there a lot of silence between you two right even now? Nobody's really, moved forward, not making a decision. This could be you as well, listening to your own intuition now and dealing with this person the way they are. I think there was a lot of passion in this relationship, but something toxic came in the middle of this connection, which made one partner wanting to walk away. Somebody was not making a decision. I have the Two of Swords center of my spread. So somebody who didn't want to see the reality, didn't want to acknowledge their feelings, and never came forward with a love offer maybe. Now they do want to communicate, it seems. They do want to communicate, but not sure whether they'll get a chance or not. They're trying to figure out how. They have suddenly realized, I think, that there is a lot of emotion here. They do want to come forward with a love offer, but let's see if they do. I'm going to start, Aries, with some dialogue message cards as always. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Aries and their person. Aries and their person. Aries and their person. Thank you. And I'm going to take a few from here as well, Aries. Aries and their person. If any of you are looking for a personal reading, Aries, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Couple from here. Aries and their person, spirit. That's it. Thank you. All right, Aries, let's begin your reading. Just give me 1 second. I'm sorry, I forgot my glasses and the font on these are really tiny. Okay, so the first card here says, I get so annoyed with your constant need to control everything and denial of your triggers. If I upset you, I want you to be honest with me, but you use silence as manipulation to gain control. We should be able to talk it out like grown-ups. Yes, this is somebody who never really made any choice, no decision, always keeping themselves closed off. And that can be really frustrating, especially for an Aries. The endless depth of love that I have for you is a blessing. Sometimes this love feels more like a curse because I'm so focused on you, I don't see anything back from you in return. You have half our gifts, I the other. If you would only work with me instead of being silent and shutting me out, we could overcome any obstacles together and heal in sacred union. Didn't I just say that? There's a lot of silence between the two of you. Your soul is always with me and mine is guiding you. We are always together in spirit, even though physically we may be apart. See, there's separation still. When I miss you, I don't have to go far. I just have to look within my heart and soul because that's where you are. So the love is there, telepathically feeling each other, but not talking. I would wait for eternity to be with you. I will never let you go. You are my one true love. I've been waiting a lifetime for you. Always on my mind and in my heart. Yes, that's you, always and forever. You talk with me about our future and building our life together. However, your intentions don't align with your actions. I feel like I can't trust you. To rebuild a solid foundation, integrity and consistency are essential for me to feel safe in this connection. So that's what, all these sweet words amount to nothing if there is no action and somebody refuses to take action here. I'm haunted by your presence. I see you in my dreams. I hear you telepathically. Every song I hear reminds me of you. I see your name everywhere and numbers that have special meaning to us. Everything reminds me of you, and all I want is you. If this is happening to you, then why do you stay at a distance? There's no escape for me. Even when I try and move on, I'm haunted even more. This relationship seems more like a situationship right now. I feel like you're taking my love for granted, thinking that one person will just be there forever. But I think here somebody walked away. Somebody walked away or is walking away. It's the little things that you do that make you so special. My ex and I are just friends. So Aries, maybe they feel you've gone back to your ex, or maybe you suspect that they are with their ex. Somebody wants to say, hey, there is no ex in the picture. My ex and I just know each other. We're friends. There's nothing like that. So Aries, before I clarify these cards, I'm going to take an angel blessing card to see how my angels are going to bless this reading, and then we clarify it, okay? My angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Aries, please. Forgiveness. Aries, to move on, to find new love, I think most of you do want that, right? You'll have to forgive yourself for waiting around for so long. It's not your fault, okay? With all these sweet words, even I would have fallen for this guy or girl or whoever. So A, you have to forgive yourself, and B, forgive them now. They don't know any better. From your heart, you don't have to call them up and say, hey, listen, I forgive you. No. From your heart, say, okay, you were a soulmate, you came into my life, I expected something, you didn't want it, I release you, I forgive you. Or if they do come back with an emotional offer, maybe some of you may just end up forgiving them, getting back with them. Let's see. Okay, so Spirit, what's this Ace of Wands and the Devil? Ooh, okay, this is a soulmate connection. So Aries, this was a very passionate, very sexual, very loving connection. I think you both felt it. You both knew immediately that, we are meant to be together. This kind of passion is like, it doesn't have words to describe this kind of feeling love and unconditional love and passion. It was like meeting a perfect person. But then Aries, certain things came out. Right? Some certain things, maybe about somebody's toxic behavior, or some toxicity came into this connection after certain things came out in the open, which I think made somebody just walk away from them. Eight of Cups, Spirit. Eight of Cups. Yes, the promises, the sweet words of this charmer, this playboy, charmer, whoever, they came out in the open, and it was like a tower moment. You suddenly realize that all these sweet words were only words. Where's the action? And that's the reason somebody here walked away. Okay, so then what happened, Spirit? Now what's happening? Page of Cups in reverse. No new beginning here, because somebody is afraid, I think. 1 second. Why is the Page of Cups in reverse, Spirit? And the Two of Swords. Two of Swords, one more. Okay, and the Eight of Wands. One more. See, Aries, the problem here is somebody hasn't yet come forward to apologize or say sorry or anything like that. They do know that their partner is commitment material. This is the person who they want to have commitment. They're watching their partner and know that this is my star, this is my wish fulfillment. But a bit of stubbornness here is going on, Aries. They're not allowing themselves to feel what they're feeling. Maybe because there's been a bit of a conflict between the two of you. Maybe there's been a fight. Maybe there is competition around them or around you. I don't know. Even though the choice is clear, this person is no longer confused about who they want. They're just scared that maybe there's too much competition for the person that they want. And maybe you guys have also had a fight, so this person is kind of holding themselves back. This is like a superhuman effort to, I don't want to see anything, I don't want to say anything, I don't want to feel anything. Very well knowing that this is what the person that they want. What this person really wants, Aries, they do want to communicate with you. They do want to speak with you immediately, as early as possible. But they seem to be waiting. They seem to be waiting for the other person to return back to them. They have a bit of a fear in being the first one to approach. They're very scared to be the first person, even though they know everything. They know that you guys are soulmates and you guys are meant to be. They're guided towards you. They're hearing songs about you, or they're seeing your numbers or name everywhere. They know that as much as they want it, they're very scared. They're just standing here waiting, and they're waiting for the other person to return. So, Ace of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Sorry. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. And the Hanged Man. Hanged Man. And the Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups. One more for the Knight of Cups, Spirit. Knight of Cups. I think they're battling with themselves right now. They're battling big time with themselves. They are afraid that they won't be granted their wish for a brand new beginning. This person has thought about everything. They've asked the questions, they've given themselves the answers, they've had lots of communication in their own head. The question answers from you, by you, answers, that's all been done inside their own head. And they feel after their past behavior, you probably don't see them in a very good light. You see them as ungrounded, rash, not a good person. And this person has, they like to be seen in a good light. They like people to respect them. They like attention. So now they are wondering how to first salvage their own reputation. They are stuck here. They are totally stuck on you. They're stuck and they're trying to figure out, see things from different perspectives as to how I can come forward looking like the King of Wands, take action in a way that I won't be rejected. Now they can't find a solution. So they go back into their mind, they go back with their questions and their answers, and nothing is making sense to this person. They do want to come forward. They would love it, if they could just smoothly come forward and again give you the same stories or the same love songs or the same poetry that they used to give you earlier, used to get fixated on them, right? This is what they wish they could do. But they hold themselves back. They're scared. I think this is fear, if nothing else. They're very fearful that they know things will not turn out well. So they just stand here. Not doing anything. They're still not coming forward with any apology, nothing. And fearing that maybe they've already been released. Without asking the other person, they're already passing judgment, verdict on themselves. What's this Four of Pentacles, Spirit? Four of Pentacles. they don't want to be the one to do it. They just don't want to be the one to do it because they feel they'll get knocked off their high horse. What they want is you to stop holding back, because that will make them really, really happy. They don't want to they don't want to feel like the loser. If you could open up, that's what this person wants. So we already know this about this person. Spirit, anything else? Anything else? Spirit is saying, heart of hearts. This is okay. If they're not coming to tell you, I'll tell you what they really want to say. Spirit is saying, this is what they actually want. They're crystal clear that they want to move forward. They have nobody else. They only want you, and they want you forever. Now, the only last hitch is, Aries, that they are scared. They're absolutely scared in facing you. What if you don't see them in a good light? They want to be honored. They want to be respected. So even though they've never respected you maybe in the past, that's the way they want to come across. So they are waiting, if possible, if you would open up to them first and return back. Then they'll be all aboard. Hey, let's get married yesterday, let's run away together, I love you, whatever they want to say. But how do they ask for forgiveness? That's the issue. So that's what I have for you, Aries. Hope it worked for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.